Like what Landon said.
Step off.
But I got
Catch him. Catch it. Catch it. Yeah. Oh, help out. Back him up.
Hey, good job, boys. Hey, Connor. Gotta hear me back though, right? We're going the whole way.
All right, Tyson caught the pop-up.
Good job, Jackson.
Hey, Jackson.
2 down.
I know why you were asking.
2 out.
2 out.
Whoa. Go 2 more of those.
2 outs.
First base tell me. He needs a better helmet, Jeff.
Huh?
I think he needs a better helmet. 2 down.
Breathe.
Needs to fix
One
one.
out left, right? First base has it. Whoa.
No, 2 strikes. 2 strikes. Good job, buddy. Good job.
3rd strike, you got to throw him out.
It's 0-2.
Daddy, did you even know I had French fries?
No. Hey, get your rhythm. Breathe.
I just asked my dad.
Take your time.
I just asked my dad if he knew I had French fries. He said no.
He's watching his son. I didn't either. He's watching your brother play ball.
You're not my dad.
But he likes French fries. I had fries like 7
This is awesome.
an hour ago.
I'm
They had to throw them. And they had to pick them.
No.
And they had to peel them. And they had to slice them. And then they have to deep fry.
Sorry, man.
Can't make them hit it.
Throw it over the plate.
That's a good eye. You got Jason.
You got this.
He's changing everything. Watch that runner. Watch that runner.
Sorry, man.
You like one?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Take your time.
Plays it 1 or 2.
I think one is better than having your own video.
What's that runner catch?
Go right over the plate.
I did that. I did that, but I just no. Why don't you go section?
Oh,
That's a good pitch.
it's a good pitch, man. Let me a couple more of those.
Yes! Yes!
Home, Jackson. Jackson, cover home.
Good throw. Good stop. Good job, bud.
Good job. Good stop.
Hey, James,
All right, let's focus. 2 outs. 1 more out, buddy. You got it. You got it. Breathe. Breathe. Straight, right over the middle. Focus on the batter.
Don't worry about the runner. Stop, Jackson.
Tyler, don't worry about the runners. Throw me some strikes, man. 3 in a row.
Let's go.
Give me some strikes. Strike him out.
Oh, we did end up in the driver's side. Hilarious.
Charge it, charge it, charge it. Home, home.
Got it. Just run. 2 outs. Fourth play of 1. Sorry, that was you couldn't do anything with that anyway. It's all right.
The kid, that play, he's not making that play. That ball's
That's like a bunt almost.
yeah, the ball's too short. He should get big shade.
Let's go infield. 1 or 2.
Let's go, Dean.
Or 1.
Dude. Let's go, man. Focus. Relax. It's a good pitch. Slow outside.
Bring it in over the plate, Tyler. You got him.
Go, finish him off.
Come on, Tyler.
Let's do it, buddy.
Right over the plate. Come on. Didn't swing it on this.
Coming, coming.
Inside.
Dude, look, watch him a second.
No, don't you dare throw that ball.
Never throw back.
Absolutely.
No, he was going to 2.
No, you don't want him to because the runner on third.
No, dude, that runner scores.
Yeah, you hold that ball.
It's enticing too.